good, everybody? So I am back with another video like I promised. Like I said, I'm gonna try to make this a weekly thing, so we're gonna see how this go. Today I'm gonna do a little something different from what I've done before in the past videos, or you know, I am gonna be customizing some white Vans. Yep, the good white Vans. These are, I got these off of ASOS. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but so I didn't know that they were gonna be all leather, but they are all leather. Honestly, I'm okay with that because I feel like it'd be a little easier to paint. But I bought these off of that site, and my goofy self, story time, my goofy self got the wrong size. So I got a size 8 in these. Size 8 in women, size 6.5 men. So I decided to do a little practicing, you know, do a little paint on it and see where I get. And I will be doing a giveaway. Yes, the first giveaway of maybe many more. You never know. But I will be doing a giveaway today for a size 8 shoes, mainly for women, most likely. Unless you're, you know, a man with 6.5 feet. But I don't know a lot of men with 6.5 feet. So a size 8 for women. It's gonna be a rose themed look. So I'm excited about that. I won't go into detail on how it's gonna look because y'all can watch to the end. Can't y'all? I think y'all can. Y'all be fine. So I will be doing this giveaway for the size 8 Vans for women, or men, 6.5. So what you will have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow both my business and my personal page, and then you have to post at least one of my one of the materials on my business page, or even repost like my promotion for this video will be perfect too. So that's the simulations for that. Subscribe, follow both my personal and business page, and post in your story. I'm gonna do just the story, but you have to tag me. You have to tag me and my business in the post, so that I can see you, obviously, and you'll be able to get entered into it. But post it in your story. You don't have to post it as an actual post. It's just to do a story post. Whew, I'm hot. I got all this black on. I commend you wig wearers because, whoo, child, I'm hot. I'm ready to just take this all off. But as you can see, I am not my hair, and my hair is not done right now. So we're gonna rock the wig. You know, I had to straighten it. I had to bring her out for the one time. I had to bring her out. So we looking good today. Oh, look at me. I can't stop looking. I stop looking at myself. So, but yes. So you're gonna go on this journey with me as I create this beautiful shoe, and then we will come back in the end and see what we got. Hopefully we can finish it today. If not, you might see a wardrobe change. You never know. But the Vans, we're working with the Vans today. White Vans, size 8. They're not gonna be white anymore. They're gonna be a rose theme. So stay with me, bear with me as we get into this video. Okay, pause. Rewind it. Look. Let me do a spin. Okay. It wasn't a smooth transition, but just real quick, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and turn on notification button on real quick for me, okay? Just so you can be updated on what I'm doing. You know, you want to be updated. You don't want to, I'm doing more than one of these, okay? You gonna want some free shoes, okay? Make sure you turn that notification button on and subscribe. All right. Okay, now we can get in the video. Now we can. So I'm gonna start off with the leather prepare deglazer. I am running low. I gotta get some more. And I will be cleaning the shoe or deglazing the shoe taking the finish off of it, get a good clean, nice finish, or I guess a clean, you know, start.
Young E on that, Young E on
everybody. So as you can see, it's the next day. Wardrobe change. Honestly, it's not even the next day. It's probably like a couple days later. It took me a couple days to do the shoe. So now we're here and the final product, as y'all seen in the end of the video, towards the end of the clip of me doing it, the completed shoe. I hope you guys like it. I actually love it so much. Like, come on now. They're just so cute. Like, now we got the laces on them, and like, it just came out really nice to me. Very clean. It's just kind of, yeah. So I'm really excited to give these away. I wish I could fit them so I didn't have to give them away, but since I can't fit them, someone's lucky enough to get them. And I really hope that whoever gets this, whoever wins this shoe, loves it just as much as I do. Really cute. You can wear something real cute with these, some black, something real, just style it up, man. But yes, I really love these shoes. They turned out really nice. Really proud of myself. So this, like I said, this is the first of many that I will be doing. Whether it just be just running through how I make the shoe or giveaway, you never know. So like I said, turn the notification buttons on so that you can be aware of what I am doing and you don't miss out on giveaways. But I'm gonna wrap this video up. Let me just go over the requirements one more time. So what you're gonna do is subscribe. You're going to follow my business and personal page, and then repost one of my materials off of my business page. So I know this is probably the third time I said this in the video, but I need you guys to know so that you guys get it right and you get it tight and you do it so that you get entered into the giveaway. Reminder that these are a size 8 women, 6.5 men. So if you can fit the shoe, go ahead. Still, if you can't fit the shoe, I hope that you guys like the video and that you guys decide to subscribe to my channel and kind of look out for what else I have in store. And yeah, so I'll probably be announcing the winner maybe my next video or the video after, just depending on how I want to drop my video. So definitely be on the lookout for that so that you can win your shoes, because these are my shoes. You don't want to miss out on your win. Like, come on. So I will be, I think I'm gonna do it for the next video. So that's about 2 weeks that you get to enter into my sorry, I was being nosy, that you can enter into the giveaway. So you have 2 weeks from when I drop this video to get it in for me, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like the shoe, because I do. And yeah, let's get litty. All right, make sure you like, subscribe, comment on some things that you might want to see, some shoes you might want to see me create. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.